Hi guys, welcome to Tech Duo channel. Today we are gonna unbox the new MacBook Pro with M1 chip. Here we have the box and now let's have a look. Now let's unbox it. Here we have the MacBook Pro. Now let's take it out. We'll keep this aside and take others from the box. In this we can see that designed by Apple in California. Let's take everything out from there. We have a small guide. We can see some informations of the MacBook Pro. These are some paperworks. We'll keep the side. We have two stickers, the Apple logo. Now let's take the charging adapter. This is the charging adapter. Here we have the cable. We can see that both the sides we have the C-type. Now let's take the MacBook Pro. Now let's open the MacBook Pro. We can see that it's really nice inside. It's really smooth when we use it. Here we can see that there are some settings to set up. And thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Duo channel.